This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sturdy knot. First, take your rope and create a small loop, ensuring the working end crosses over the standing part. This initial step is crucial for setting up the foundation of our strong knot. We're aiming for a simple yet effective technique that anyone can master with just a little practice. This method provides excellent security for various applications. Now, let's refine that initial loop. Take the working end and pass it behind the standing part, then bring it back through the loop you just created. This forms a simple overhand knot, which is the base for many stronger configurations. Make sure the loop is not too tight, allowing for adjustments in the next step. This careful formation ensures the knot's integrity. To secure our sturdy knot, take the working end and wrap it around the standing part, then feed it back through the first loop you made. This action completes the knot structure. Gently pull both the working end and the standing part to snug it up. Ensure all parts of the rope are neatly aligned and the knot feels firm. A well-dressed knot is a strong knot. Finally, always double-check your knot. Look for any twists or overlaps that could weaken its structure. A properly tied knot will appear symmetrical and compact. This easy method creates a reliable knot, suitable for many situations, from camping to securing items. Practice a few times, and you'll be tying sturdy knots with confidence in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.